Hello friends, Nalinakshi Swami here. Today's trade was very simple. Actually, if you would have followed the price action very carefully, in the first candle itself, in the first 15 minutes candle itself, Nifty showed the weakness. I'll explain it to you how. Actually, see, when price started moving, this is the break of this level. For example, 16,801. And then next two candles, you can see big candles, momentum candles. It from 16,800 to 16,876 was another level. From there, you can see the break of the Nifty to, there was a hitch actually. It's not a momentum break. You can see it was struggling, price was struggling, going up and coming down, going up. And the final level was 16,909. Today, Nifty opened at 16,890, which is way below the closing price of the previous 80,890 and made an high of 16,929 here. So the candle you could have seen opened here. Probably, I think if I don't know whether it made a low or made an high of, let us imagine it made an high of 16,928. And see the close. It closed below the previous day closing level. And also, if you observe, it made a low of 16,853. Here itself, there is change in the behavior. This was the low and lower low, higher high. This is an outside bar. Outside bar, and the next candle, there itself, it showed the weakness. So it engulfed even this price action. Engulfed, made a low of 16,853. Whereas this low was 16,854.6. So you could have guessed what can happen. This is the weakness in the market. So you need to wait for the price action to show the direction properly. What happened in the next candle? Made a lower low, and then it came down to this level. This is break of the structure. After breaking of the structure, you need to wait for the price to pull back, and it has to show the weakness, unable to cross this level. So you can see it tried to pull back. So with the momentum candle, this is a trap actually, pulled up to 896, way below the closing of the first candle. The closing of the first candle was 904 and second candle was equal close 904.9, but it is a lower high, sorry. Then it confirmed your price action. So you need to wait because there was a exchange between, so they started doing sideways movement, that is nothing but buy and sell. distribution. Distribution started taking place. So when the price went up, they started selling. And again, it came, it is a trap. Actually, you can see, made a lower low, confusing that it may break above and it will go. But when it went there, was unable to go, it went up to that level, but closed. Closing, you can see, closing is lower close. Here, the close was 16,899 and the closing is 16,888. So then it confirmed, and if you, for your confirmation, if you draw a trend line from here, it started breaking down. This is the breaking down, breaker candle. This is the breaker candle. This candle is responsible for the breaking of the structure. Then price started falling down immediately, in between little bit pullback, because these are the some areas of support. These were the areas of support. And so it started reacting in this area. Price reacted in this area, tried to push up and then came down. See, there is buy and sell, buy and sell. So you can see the price came down, made a low, again it came up, and then now you have to see for the price action. So what you could have done is, you could have waited for the price action. When it confirmed this price action, this was a distribution actually taking place. In the first candle itself, you were able to make out what. This is a simple price action observation. You could have made profit in that. You could have gone for 16,900 put option, or otherwise 17,000 put option. You could have selected and you would have bought the put option and you could have held the put option. You could have made a lot of money in that. That's how you have to analyze the market thoroughly so that you can make profit. And here in this area, you are seeing very violent price movement, because this is the area of support from where Nifty took off from this place, made a lower low. So it hit this level and reacted strongly. So we need to see what the price is going to do, whether it is going to come back to this level and then it will try to retest, or tomorrow's price action will tell you in which way you have to take the trade. Suppose if it starts going down like this, it will fill this gap, come to the level of 16,391. These are the levels, and there in between, this is the level. Next level is the, next level you can anticipate falling to 16,202, because in this area, this has retested actually only in this area, and 16,128. You can, if you see the weakness, if it starts falling below this level, you can anticipate Nifty to fall to 16,209 and then 16,129. And also because it has already retested this area with a wick, this area, probably this level has been, buyers and sellers are there. Only this area, there is no balance actually. Imbalance is there. So to create an imbalance, price may come down to this level, 16,176 to 16,121. You can anticipate that level for the Nifty to come back to the levels in a future days. It is showing weakness actually. Weakness, any pullback may be sell on rise. Sell on rise because even if it pulls back to this level, 16,766, then it will go for selling. So now Nifty is showing weakness. So by simple analysis of the first 15 minutes candle, by seeing the price action of previous day's price action and marking the levels, you could have taken trade. Today's price action was very simple, not so much of confusion. You could have taken trade. Okay, friends, I hope this video will help you in future to see the price action and take decisions on your part. Thank you very much. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.